Good afternoon, my name is Gavin Knox, Managing Director of Hydrogenfuelsystems Proprietary Limited in Perth, Western Australia. Here we can see the gas production from the new system for Mark over in Sydney. It's a generation 10 system. It's currently running at 10.8 volts and 22 amps. That's going fantastic at the present time, as you can see. Gas production is awesome. And this is not even powered up right now, and it's only idling. You can see the system here is very, very effective. It's a very efficient system, very compact, being tied down with cable ties and bolt inserts and so. We've got a 3 litre water recycling container here. Fits into an extra large marine battery box. Very, very tight little unit. Now if I can increase the voltage, bring it up to 11 volts. Let's see what the current's going to bring it now. 11 volts and 25 amps. Gas production increased even further. Right now it's producing about 3 litres of gas a minute, as you can see from that. I can be contacted on 040 317 7183. My webpage is https://hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. I can be contacted 24 hours a day, preferably during the day rather than night. Have a great day. I'll speak to you soon. By the way, my email address is glknox11@live.com. See ya.